What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor and this is the 907 Fantasy Sports page. And we made it. We made it through another long work week, but today is Friday, October 24th. We got NBA on. We got some game one of the World Series. We got college football on, hockey. We got all sorts of sports. So it is a great time for some sports betting, great time for watching sports. And really, we are back. So yesterday, VIP went 3-3. Jokic, we missed him by 2 PRA. If he would have hit one of those, he shot up like 4 threes in the last 2 minutes. He missed every single one of them. He went like 0 for 5 in the last 2 minutes. So that one really sucked. But we went 3 for 3 yesterday. We would have went 5-1 if he would have hit that over. But it is what it is. So we're going to give out a beautiful free play today. We got a couple of them for you. But going over here, this was some of the winners yesterday. So we had the Oklahoma City Thunder money line to win. That one went to double OT. Honestly, I didn't think the Pacers had that much in them, especially with Tyrese Halliburton. Miles Turner's gone there now. So that was a great game, though. Thunder have got to be wiped after back-to-back double OT games to start the season. And then Pacers, they probably could have pulled the win out if 3 of their players didn't foul out in that game. So nonetheless, it was a great win for us. Oklahoma City Thunder to win. And then we had Justin Jefferson, Justin Herbert over on theirs, and then Justin Jefferson and Steph Curry over there. So nice wins there over on BETR. If you guys are new, go over to Chalkboard today. They're giving out a starting 5. I'll just go here right now. Starting 5 right here, Chalkboard discount, where they've discounted Trae Young, Stephon Castle, Jaylen Brown, Julius Randle, and Anthony Davis. So they're giving out all 5 of those discounts over on Chalkboard. Use the code 907FANTASY when signing up. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary. And you can put that $20 on these starting 5 plays there, or you can put it on any other plays that you like there. But use the code 907FANTASY when signing up. That link is down in the description below if you need that. Or if it asks for a promo code when signing up, just put in 907 Fantasy and it'll get you the same there. Over on Sleeper, they're going to give you an additional $20, no deposit necessary when you use code 907 Fantasy. They're going to give you a free pick as well. And then over on BETR, they're going to give you $10 of free money and a $200 on your first deposit bonus and a Devin Booker free square for tonight's game. So make sure to go over on BETR, get signed up, use promo code 907FANTASY over there. If you guys want, completely optional, but today on VIP, I sent out 15 plays for VIP today, and you can get all access to all 15 of those for $5. So it's $5 Friday today on VIP. Make sure to go over to the Winible. It's winible.com/907FANTASY-sports. Get on that. It's $5, and you're going to get access to all 15 of the plays. So, Dabble, they're going to give you free 25. Use code 907Fantasy when signing up. And then this is the free play for today. So I'm giving out 2 of these. We're giving out the Julius Randle and the Jaylen Brown one. So you can go over there and get locked in. Use that $20 of free money, and you can put it on these 2 plays. That's going to not cost you anything. We cash both of these, and you now have 45 in your account that you could just deposit or withdraw. And you have an initial 45 to go out to dinner or something tonight. But nonetheless, get over there on Chalkboard, use code 907Fantasy. But we're taking Julius Randle over 15.5 points. He's discounted from 18.5 down to 15.5. Love that line. And then we're taking Alperen Sengun. He put up 30, it was either 35 or 39 in their opener against OKC. So playing against Detroit tonight, I like him here at 18. Taking the over there, so turning 10 into 2170 on that one. And then we're going Jaylen Brown. Without Jason Tatum this year, Jaylen Brown is the #1 option for the Celtics. So taking him over 20.5 points, he's discounted from 24.5. So a nice discount there for us. And then we're taking Giannis Antetokounmpo over 10.5 rebounds. He went for 14 last game. He's a double-double machine. So give me the over there. They're playing against a bad Toronto team, but also Milwaukee's not that great either. So it honestly should be a pretty close game. and he should be able to grab a lot of boards there. So taking the over of 10.5 rebounds, matching that up with Jaylen Brown over 20.5 points, turning 10 into 24-20. So love those two plays. Make sure to go over to Chalkboard, get locked in. If you guys need any of the plays, they're over here on the Winible. You can get on the $5 Friday pass, or if you come over here, you can get on the free plan, VIP gold level, full week pass, or the full season pass. So good luck with all of your plays today. We got a lot of great games. Milwaukee at Toronto, Atlanta at Orlando, Cleveland at Brooklyn, Boston at New York should be a fun one. Detroit at Houston, Miami at Memphis, San Antonio. That should be another fun one. Washington at Dallas, Minnesota at LA. That should be a fun one. Golden State at Portland, Utah, Sacramento, and Phoenix at LA. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you guys want more free plays, go over to the Winible and get signed up. But good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some college football. Peace out, and let's go cash.